Imagine crafting words so powerful they can guide AI to create art, solve problems, or even draft entire stories. Sounds like a sci fi job, right? Nope, it's real, and it's called prompt engineering. If you've ever asked, what is prompt engineering? And how can I get in on this? Stick around, you're about to find out how to break into one of the coolest careers in AI. First, let's talk about what a prompt engineer actually does. As a prompt engineer, your job is to design and refine prompts, essentially instructions that guide AI models like ChatGPT to deliver accurate, creative, or insightful responses. Think of it like being a translator between humans and machines, ensuring AI understands exactly what's needed. So, how do you become a prompt engineer? Start by building a solid understanding of AI models and how they work. You don't need a PhD, but familiarity with tools like GPT or Midjourney is key. Next, sharpen your communication and problem solving skills. The better you can craft precise creative prompts, the better the results. Formal education and alternative learning paths can be valuable, particularly since prompt engineering is so new that there's no traditional degree for it. Companies are actively hiring people with diverse backgrounds: writers, educators, coders, even marketers. If you're great at asking questions and thinking creatively, you're already ahead of the game. Finally, practice is everything. Experiment with AI tools, test different prompts, and learn from the results. Free resources and online courses are a fantastic way to get started. So why wait? Prompt engineering isn't just a job, it's a chance to shape how humans and AI collaborate in the future. The field is growing fast, and your skills could be exactly what's needed to drive innovation. Now it's your turn. Ready to step into the future and become a pro at guiding AI. Start learning, start experimenting with courses on Coursera. The next breakthrough in AI could come from you.